The difference between sys.stdout.write and print? Are there situations in which sys.stdout.write is preferable to print? Examples: better performance, code that makes more sense.
Print is just a thin wrapper that formats the inputs, modifiable, but by default with a space between args and newline at the end, and calls the write function of a given object. By default this object is sys.stdout, but you can pass a file using the chevron form. For example, see this URL. In Python 3.x, print becomes a function, but it is still possible to pass something other than sys.stdout thanks to the file argument. See this URL. In Python 2.6+, print is still a statement, but it can be used as a function with update. Bakurio commented to point out that there is a small difference between the print function and the print statement, and more generally between a function and a statement. In case of an error when evaluating arguments,
Print first converts the object to a string, if it is not already a string. It will also put a space before the object if it is not the start of a line and a new line character at the end. When using stout, you need to convert the object to a string yourself, by calling str, for example, and there is no new line character. So, is equivalent to
Here's some sample code based on the book Learning Python by Mark Lutz that addresses your question. Opening log.txt in a text editor will reveal the following.
My question is whether or not there are situations in which sys.stdout.write is preferable to print. After finishing developing a script the other day, I uploaded it to a Unix server. All my debug messages used print statements, and these do not appear on a server log. This is a case where you may need sys.stdout.write instead.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.